What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Don. We're back in the stand with a new video. We got some more Michael Jackson. This time it's the Human Nature live at Wembley 1988. They say it's 4K remastered. I don't believe it, but that's not why we're here. We're here for Michael Jackson, Human Nature, live at Wembley. And y'all been blowing me up about this Wembley performance. Y'all said I should react to the whole thing. And I looked at it, I was like 2 hours and 15 minutes and 7 seconds. Oh my goodness. Because I love y'all so much, I will do it. But in one condition, this video gotta hit 1,000 likes. You get this video to 1,000 likes, I'll do it. I'll do it. But get this video to 1,000 likes. Hit that sub button too, give me the 5K subs. But the only requirement is this video hit 1,000 likes and I'll give y'all the whole 2.5 hour reaction of Michael Jackson live at the Wembley. But let's hop straight into it. Let's get a crack. We got Human Nature today. Why? Got it. Shut up, bitch. There you go with that look. Man, why'd I do this to the video? They talking about 4K remastered. Nah, this is like a oil paint filter. Where's the real thing at? Man, I ain't made trying to see this remastered version. You want some money? Here you go. You want another one? How about another one? All right, last one. You taking it off. There's more from where that came from. Run along your stash. Just download the app called Free Cash, baby. Use the link down below, the QR code right here. You play, they pay. As easy as that. They pay you to play games, man. It's as transparent as can be. Play the games, they pay you. You can withdraw the money. As simple as that, man. I know you tired of your pockets hurting. Usually, I tell you to get up off your ass. You can sit on your ass and play the games and get paid. Like, take your girl on a date, bro. I know she been bugging you. I know she been getting on your nerves. Take your girl on a nice date. Get her something nice. Use the QR code right here. Use my link down below. Yeah, I mean, you're gonna get your little bonus as well. Yeah, I mean, now take this money. Go ahead, take it. I know you want it. Take it. Hear her voice. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna be honest. This is really. Oh, it's right here. But they say this 4K too. This one a little better though. Hear her voice, shake my window, seducing sighs, get me down. That boy's so dramatic, boy. But you need to sell it though. You know what I mean? He needed to be dramatic though. That's what made him Mike though. You feel me? You need to sell it. Get me down. For us won't hold me tonight. Bro, look at his face, boy. For us won't hold me tonight. Why he do that with? Hey, yo, Mike is funny, boy. He funny for real. If this town is just an apple, then let me take a bite. And they say, why? Tell them that is human nature. I'm gonna be real. I've heard this song many times, but you know, sometimes like lyrics hit you for the first time. It happens to us all. The town is an apple. You wanna have a bite. If this town is just an apple, then let me take a bite. And they say, why? Tell them that is human nature. Why? Can they leave it that way? They say, why? Tell them that is human nature. Why? Can they do it that way? Reaching out. He play, look. That boy try not to smile. Like, I've been seeing clips of Mike, you know, behind the scenes and stuff that had nothing to do with music, and Mike was really a comedian. Mike really had a sense of humor. So you can't tell me bro ain't doing some of this stuff on purpose, boy. You know what I mean? Reaching out. Electric eyes are everywhere. See that girl
watching. She likes the way I stare. If they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why can't it be that way? They say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why can't it be that way? I like living this way. I like loving this way. Reaching out.
Oh, here they come. Here they come. Yeah, it was about time. It was about time. I don't think I cried during the Michael Jackson video yet, but he just did it. He just did it. He did that live. He hit that note live. Like there was no effects on back then. They didn't have. Look here, I'm really crying. They didn't have the auto-tune microphones back then. They had it. Mike would never even do that anyway. He did that live.
Reaching out.
Reaching out. What are we doing? He sleep.
Into the night. It began to be. And out.
Hey, God.
I'm dreaming of the street. Everybody sing. They say.
Look, I've never seen somebody want to dance so bad to a song that requires no dancing. Like, this is one of them songs you might just sway back and forth to. You know what I mean? You might catch a vibe to it, you know, but all that dancing, this ain't one of them songs. This ain't Billie Jean. You know what I mean? This ain't Smooth Criminal. You know what I mean? But like, that boy, he just love dancing. Like, for real.
Everybody. If they say why, ooh, then can it be that way? They say why, ooh, then can it be that way? I like living this way.
It was real. It was real. He really did it. He really did that. Was bro turning into a mime? Or was he doing the robot? Not the shoulder roll. Bro, not the shoulder roll, bro. He did that for 2 hours, bro. Bro, yeah, they don't realize how good they had it back then, bro. Nobody on their phones. No bad. I ain't gonna say no bad energy. Bad energy was always around, but like just no. Nowadays you go to concerts, it ain't nothing like that, bro. No matter who the artist is performing, bro. Like, man, they had it good back then, bro. I'm jealous, bro. I'm jealous, bro. I mean, I'm jealous, bro. Hit that sub button though. Get this to 1,000 likes. I'm gonna do the whole performance. Get this to 1,000 likes. I'll do the whole performance. I got you. Smash that like button, do all that good stuff there. But look without further ado, it's your boy Don, and I'm about to check out One Love. Peace out. Yeah.